In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Avalanche's future while examining Avax cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, we should head into it. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is an all-encompassing stage for sending off decentralized finance applications, monetary resources, exchanging in different administrations. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other state-of-the-art innovations. Group behind the task is Avalanche, and designers at Avalanche guarantee that Torrential Slide is the main brilliant agreements organization to offer exchange finish in less than 1 second as standard. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside Torrential Slide and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide value forecasts the entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Captain Altcoin Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 1.58% $17 48 2023-01 27 plus 0.67% $17 32 2023-01 28 plus 3.69% $17 84 2023-01 29 plus 3.27% $17 77 2023-01 30 plus 3.12% $17 74 2023-01 31 plus 3.47% $17 80 2023-02 01 3.43% $16 61 2023-02 02 plus 0.44% $17 28 2023-02 03 0.54% $17 11 2023-02 04 plus 3.58% $17.82 Torrential Slide coin value forecast 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Captain Altcoin's forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 12.65% $15.03. 2023 Blemish 26.94% $12.57. 2023 April 24.85% $12.93. 2023 May 26.32% $12.68. 2023 June 13.55% $14.87. 2023 Jul 8.39% 0.9%, $15.76 2023 AUG 5.36%, $16.28 2023 SEP 2.90%, $16.70 2023 OCT plus 6.61%, $18.34 2023 NAV plus 14.03%, $19.62 2023 DEC plus 20.47%, $20.73 2024 JAN plus 21.20%, $20.85 AVAX value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees AVAX coming to $33.72 in 2025. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees torrential slide coming to $84.30 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees torrential slide coming to $168.60 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise speculation? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $10.01. In the long haul, it could leap to $84.30 or significantly higher. For what reason will torrential slide succeed and get more expensive? Torrential slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees torrential slide ascending to $84.30 in 2030. For what reason will torrential slide fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned advertising methodology. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will torrential slide go? Our estimating model sees torrential slide value detonating and coming to $168.60 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for torrential slide? Torrential slide will reach $10.01 in the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $17.20. Will torrential slide make you a mogul? Indeed, on the off chance that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a torrential